Hi friends, welcome back to our channel.
We are happy to see you here again. Thanks for joining us today.
Today we have a very useful and practical lesson.
Yes, if you opened this video, it probably means you want to understand how to talk to a doctor in English. Maybe you had this problem before. Maybe you were scared, shy, or did not know the right words.
Don't worry, today we will help you.
And we will do it in a very fun and simple way.
So let's start. I will be the doctor.
And I will be the patient.
Hello, please come in. Have a seat. My name is Dr. Tom. How can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. Thank you. My name is Anna, and I'm not feeling very well today.
I'm sorry to hear that, Anna. Can you tell me what's wrong? What exactly is bothering you?
Well, doctor, I have pain. I have pain in several places, and I don't know how to explain it clearly in English. That's why I'm here.
No problem at all. We will go slowly. You can tell me one thing at a time. First, where does it hurt?
Okay, the first place is my head. My head hurts.
So you have a headache.
Yes, exactly. I have a headache. It is not too strong, but it is uncomfortable. It started yesterday evening.
Do you also feel pressure in your head? Or is it more like a sharp pain?
It feels like pressure, like something is pushing from inside.
I understand. And does the pain come and go, or is it constant?
It comes and goes. Sometimes it's stronger, sometimes it's weaker.
Good job. You are explaining it very clearly. This is very helpful for a doctor. What else hurts?
Well, my throat also hurts. When I swallow, it feels scratchy and dry.
So you have a sore throat.
Yes, a sore throat. When I wake up in the morning, it feels worse. After I drink warm tea, it feels better. But during the day, it gets bad again.
Do you cough?
Yes, I cough a little, not too much, but sometimes I cough because my throat tickles.
Does your nose run, or is it blocked?
My nose is blocked. It's hard to breathe through it. I feel like one side is open, but the other side is closed.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, very. And when I blow my nose, nothing comes out. It's strange.
That often happens with a cold or allergies. Anything else?
Yes, doctor. My stomach also hurts a little.
Your stomach. Can you show me where exactly?
Here, in the middle, under the ribs, it feels heavy. Not sharp pain, but like pressure or discomfort.
Do you feel nausea? Do you feel like you want to vomit?
No, not really. I don't want to vomit. I just feel uncomfortable, like I ate too much, but I didn't.
Do you have diarrhea?
No, everything is normal.
Good. And how long have you had this stomach discomfort?
Maybe 3 days? It's not very strong, but it is annoying.
Anna, you are doing great. Many English learners feel shy when talking to a doctor. But remember, you don't need complicated words. You can use very simple sentences. It hurts here. I have pain here. It feels sharp. It feels heavy. It burns. It's constant. It comes and goes. It started yesterday. It is getting better. It is getting worse.
That's very helpful. I always think I need difficult medical words, but your examples are so simple.
Yes, native speakers also use simple words at the doctor. It's completely normal.
I also feel tired, doctor. Very tired. Even when I sleep enough, I feel like I have no energy.
So you feel fatigued.
Yes, but fatigued sounds too hard for me. I just want to say, I feel tired all the time.
That is perfect English. Very clear. Doctors will understand it.
Good, because recently I feel like I want to lie down all day. When I walk, I feel weak.
Weakness and tiredness can happen when your body is fighting something, like a virus or infection.
Yes, that makes sense.
Anna, do you have fever?
I'm not sure. I feel warm sometimes, but I didn't check my temperature.
That's okay. Tonight, check it if you can. If you have fever over 38 degrees Celsius or 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, you should tell me.
Okay, I will.
Do your muscles hurt?
Yes, my legs and arms feel heavy and sore, like I did exercise, but I didn't.
That is common with infections.
I see.
Anna, how strong is your pain? For example, your head pain.
On a scale from 1 to 10, maybe a 4. Not terrible, but annoying.
Good. And your throat pain?
Maybe a 5 in the morning and a 3 during the day.
Very clear. Doctors love when patients say numbers. It helps us understand.
I didn't know that.
So let's teach our viewers a small English lesson. When you talk about pain, you can use sharp pain, like a knife, dull pain, soft, not strong, burning pain, like fire, throbbing pain, pulsing, stabbing pain, quick and strong, pressure, heavy feeling. These words help the doctor know what kind of problem you might have.
Wow, that's useful and easy to remember. Anna, doctor, I also feel something strange with my ears.
What do you feel?
They feel full, like there is water inside, but there is no water. And sometimes I hear a tiny buzz.
A buzzing sound?
Yes, like a small bee lives in my ear.
Okay, that is not dangerous. Probably from your blocked nose and throat.
I hope so. I don't want a bee in my ear.
Don't worry. Anna, if you ever go to a real doctor in an English-speaking country, remember these useful questions. Is it serious? What should I do now? Do I need medicine? How long will it take to feel better? Can I go to work? Should I stay home? Do I need tests? What are the side effects?
These are perfect. Very simple, very helpful.
Anna, what if I don't understand something the doctor says?
You can say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you say it more slowly?" Or, "Can you explain it in simple words?" Doctors are used to this. It's okay.
I like that. I will remember.